Hey guys, so this is my apartment. I live in Center City, Philadelphia. My rent is $825 a month and the square footage is about 200 square foot. So it's pretty small. It's a studio. It has one room and a bathroom. So the living space and the bedroom are combined in one room. So when you first enter, this is the entry door, and I have a ladder because I'm super short and can't reach the top of my cupboards. And in here, this is a kitchen area. I have my NutriBullet and stuff like that over there with cutting knives, and then it has a deep sink, which is awesome, and it has cabinets below which hold all of my cleaning supplies and things like that. And then up top, I have some dry goods and dishes and things like that. It has full-size appliances, so just because I live in a tiny space and live in a studio apartment doesn't mean that I technically can't use full-size appliances, which is great. And it has a 4-burner stove. And then all of my cabinets and drawers are soft close, which is great because it doesn't make a loud noise when shutting them, and they shut by themselves. And then over here is my toaster and my refrigerator. My refrigerator is pretty large. It holds a lot of things. As of now, I don't have much in it, but that's just the inside of it, so you can see the depth and how large it is. And I just love decorating my fridge with a ton of personal things and photos and stuff like that. And then over here on the left is kind of like the entryway that has a small place for people to put their shoes, any bags, anything like that. I put my groceries there when I get them. And then over here are my shoe area, and those are all the shoes I have with me. And then up top is more wall space, so I just put photos up there. And then as you enter, this is the main and only room. It is my bedroom and my living room, along with I have some exercise stuff over there when I can't get to the gym. And then on the left side here, it is my closet. It's kind of messy, but these are mostly all of the clothes that I have. I only have two specific areas where I keep my clothes. This is one of them. And I have a coat rack up here, which is great. And then over here is my main set of clothes. And then on the bottom section over on the right, there is the mini vacuum, my Swiffer, and collapsible tables that I use for dinner tables or anything like that if I want to do TV dinners with friends and stuff. And then up here is my towels and sheets section. And I also have extra toilet paper and stuff like that, and my travel bag. And then over on this section is kind of like my entertainment section, I'd say. And it has my TV, which is nice. And then I have kind of a mini library on that lower section of the TV stand. And then I have my ottoman to the right, which is great because you can put extra storage, blankets, anything like that, pillows, or things that you don't use that often. And then I have some fake plants because I get a decent amount of natural light, but I don't think I would have enough to really suffice having some plants in here. And then over here, I just have a large tapestry because I wanted to fill up some of the space, the white walls. And then to the right is my bed. It is a full-size bed. Mostly all of my furniture is from IKEA. So it's great just because it's easy to bring here and just put together and build, especially for moves. And then my duvet covers from Urban Outfitters. And then I have my small nightstand over on the left with some makeup brushes and stuff like that. And then I also have my sound system, my Bose speakers over there. And then up top here is really cool because it's this wall piece that I got last winter for Christmas, and it's super cool because it hangs up everything for the year. And I just kind of put little ticket stubs or anything like that there for concerts and museums that I visit. And then I have my lights up here, which actually look really cool in the evening time when it's dark out and they're lit. And then over here on the right side, I use this as kind of a display too for any to-do lists or any reminders because it is part of the fridge, but I could also use that as a multi-purpose. And then over here, this is an electrical panel, and I actually cover it with a tapestry just so it doesn't look too ugly or anything like that. And then over here is my 3-wicker basket. This is my second section where I hold all of my clothes. Up top is underwear, middle drawer is sweaters and stuff like that, and then the bottom drawer is pants and jeans and things like that. And then over here is just some extra toiletries and kind of travel makeup bags and things that I have, a couple of weights to do, and then there's more photos to continue. And then this is my bathroom. It is such a tiny bathroom, but it serves its purpose, and it has the shower, the toilet, and the sink. So over on the right hand side is the sink area. This is nice because it has 2 cabinets, and I fill the bottom with any toiletries, any extra shampoo, stuff like that, and then a couple bits and pieces of makeup on the top. And I just have these clear container drawers so I can see what's where, and it's just easy go-to grabs. And then going to the center part is the shower. It's a half hexagon shower shape, which is really cool because I feel like it utilizes the corner space a lot more than just a square would, and I really like it. It's easy to use, it works well, and then I have my toilet there as well, and on this side I have a couple more of makeup bits and a fake plant. And then on the right side I have my towel rack and anything like that to store. So that is my bathroom area, and basically I really like living on the 3rd floor. I don't hear any noises from above, from neighbors or anything loud like that, and it's really nice because heat rises, so I don't have to spend much on my heating bill and in the winter time. So it's really great just because it lowers that fee and cost. And then just to show you a quick bit, and this is kind of outside. As you can see, there's a lot of restaurants and stuff like that. There's a lot of nail salons and spa places on this road, which is great. And then just down the block that way is the laundromat. So I do have to walk. It's not an in-unit laundry area, which kind of stinks, but it's only a block away, which is nice. And my food area is like the shopping center for grocery is only 3 blocks away, which is not that bad and not that far. And then I also don't own a car in the city, which is great. I can just walk to work. So I think that's a great convenience factor of living in a studio apartment. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave some info and description down below in the description box for you. If you have any questions or anything, leave me in the comments below. I just wanted to show you what you could get in Center City and basically the cost of living in the city. So if you have any questions, let me know, and thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.